Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the library management system using Python. So it will open the home page whenever we run the Python script. So it will show the library membership info like member type, reference number, first name, surname. Okay, let's select the member type, then reference number, enter your first name, surname, address, postcode, mobile number. So I'm entering my mobile number. Okay, and then click on save button. So it will store the details. Okay, let's click on reset. So it will reset all the value. If we click on display, then it will show the data which you entered. Okay, let's click on search button. You can also search. Let's click on reset. Again, enter the faculty member type, reference number 2, first name, surname, address, postcode, mobile number. I'm entering the demo mobile number. Okay, you can select the book. Whenever you select the book, then it will automatically show the detail of books. Okay, you can show the display. If you click on display, then it will show the complete details like whatever you have entered. Let's enter the new member, staff member, reference number 3, first name, surname, address, postcode, mobile number. Book, you can select the book and click on save button. So it will store data in database. Okay, it will show the display. Like whenever you click on display button, it will show all the three details which you entered. You can also update the details. Like I'm just updating the detail, so it will update the detail. Okay, Ishan with the Arjun. Just update with the student, and if you click on display, it will show all the details. Okay, this is the complete project. This project developed using Python programming language and tkinter used for the user interface. Go through all the book details. When you click on the book details, then it will show the complete details in the right hand side. Let's exit. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.